Good morning to all of you. Uh, in this class, we are studying about the lead code problem, power of 4. Okay. Here, our aim is we have to find whether the given number is power of 4 or not. Our aim is we have to find whether the given number is power of 4 or not. Given an integer n, return the true value if it is power of 4. Whenever the given number is power of 4, then return the true value. Otherwise, return the false value. Otherwise, return the false value. If it is not the power of 4, then it is given as a false value. If it is a power of 4, return the true value. If it is not the power of 4, return the false value. An integer n is power of 4 if there exists an integer x such that n equals to 4 power x. Means whenever there is a possibility of the 4 power x here, then that number is called as the power of 4 here. They give one simple example here, n equals to 16. The n value is the 16. We can write the 16 is in the power of 4 here. 4 power 4. What is 4 power 4? 16. Yes, the answer is true here. We can get the answer as a true value. The output is true. Right. Next come this one here. N value is 5. Whether it is possible to write the 5 in terms of 4 here. 4 power 1 plus 1. Here 4 power 1 is possible, but the plus 1 is not adding here. That's why here the answer is the false here. 5 is not the power of 4. Next. 1. In the case of the 1 point of view, 4 power 0. What is the 4 power 0? 1. Yes, we can write the 1 in the 4 power 0 format. The answer is true here. The answer is true. If I give the 64, I can add the 64 in terms of the 4 power 3. 4 power 3. 4 4 just 16, 16 4 just 64. Yes, the answer is a true value. Means whenever you give the any number which is power of 4, then answer is true here. If I am providing the any negative numbers here, like this one, if I give the minus 1, whether it is a power of 4, no. If I give the minus 2, power of 4, not 4. Means for the negative numbers there are no power of 4 here. Only the positive numbers are in the power of 4 here. Even if you are taking the 0 also, it is not also comes under the power of 4. Why? Because if you take the 4 power 0, what is 4 power 0? 1 only. You are not taking the 0 consideration. That's why the very first condition is if the n value is less than or equals to 0. Means whenever the given value is less than or equals to 0, then directly return the false value. Then directly return the false value. Why? Because whenever the negative numbers are presented, then we have to return the value as a false value. Whenever the n value is less than or equal to 0, means negative numbers. The negative numbers, are not the power of 4 here. Next, come to the code here. I wrote the one simple code here. If n is less than or equals to 0, means for the negative numbers here. Assume here, if I give the n value as a minus 10. Minus 10 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is true. When a condition is to return the false value. Why the false value? Why? Because it is not the power of 4 here. It is not the power of 4. If I give the n value as a minus 5, assume here I give the n value as minus 5. Minus 5 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is true. When a condition is to return the false value, the false will be written from this function. If I give the n value as 4, assume here I give the n value as 4. Now come this one. 4 is less than or equals to 0. 4 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is false. This line will not be executed. While n mod 4. What is n mod 4? 4 mod 4. The 4 mod 4 value is 0. 0 equals to 0. The condition is true. Now the body, what the body contains, the n equals to n integer division of 4. 4 integer division of 4. What is the value? 1. Means the n value becomes as 1. After that, go to the condition. What is the condition? N mod 4. What is the current n value? 1. 1 mod 4. What is 1 mod 4 value? 1. 1 equals to 0. False. Whenever the condition is false, outside is the or the loop we are having the return n equals to 1. What is n value? 1. 1 equals to 1. The condition is true. Means 4 is a power of 4 here. If I give the data like this one, assume here I give the n value as a 9. Okay. Assume here I give the n value as a 9. 9 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is false. This will not be executed. While n mod 4. N mod 4 stands for 9 mod 4. What is the value of the 9 mod 4? The 9 mod 4 value is the 1. The 9 mod 4 value is 1 here. N mod 4, the n value is a 9. 9 mod 4, the value is a 1. 1 equals to 0, false. When a condition is false, outside of the while loop here, we are having the return n double equals to 1. What is n value? 9. 9 double equals to 1. Whether the 9 equals to 1? False. The answer is the false value. Why? Because 9 is not the power of 4. Right. If I give the n value as 12. Assume here I give the n value as a 12. 12 is less than or equals to 0. The condition is false. This will not be executed. While n mod 4. 12 mod 4. What is 12 mod 4? The value is a 0. 0 equals to 0. The condition is true. When a condition is true, n equals to 12 by 4. What is the value? 3. The n value becomes as 3. Okay. After that, again go to the condition n mod 4. What is n mod 4? 3 mod 4. 3 mod 4 value is a 3. 3 equals to 0. The condition is false. Whenever the condition is false, outside the loop here, we are having the return statement return n equals to 1. What is the current n value? 3. 3 equals to 1. False. The answer is a false value. In this way, we can get the power of 4.